Hi, I'm Brian from Brian's Black Mountain Barbecue in Cave Creek, Arizona. I have a restaurant and I've written a cookbook, and I'd like to share a recipe with you today. We're going to make homemade chili. The difference with this chili is that we're going to make it with smoked brisket. So right here I have a brisket that actually I smoked in the restaurant for 14 hours. So what I need to do is I need to chop that up and get a pound of that. So that's what I have here, a pound of chopped brisket. This is a very easy recipe. I'll start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 of a cup red onion, and then we want to saute that. Pretend this is on the stove here. Saute that up nicely. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients. 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. It's very important to cook your dry spices. It brings out the flavor. Okay. After that sautés a little bit, we're going to add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Now I took a can of whole plum tomatoes and I crushed it up with my hands. It gives a nice texture. Pour that in there. 15-ounce can of cooked black-eyed peas. 3 cloves of garlic, all chopped up, and 1/2 of 1 jalapeno in there. And last but not least, the 1 pound of chopped brisket. Stir all that. We're going to put that on the stove. We're going to let that simmer probably about 15 minutes. And our finished product is right here. This is our beef brisket chili serve that with bread and a nice jalapeno. And if you'd like more information about me, my restaurant, or my cookbook, please check out briansbbq.com.